In this video, we're going to learn about the for of loop. So the for of statement creates a loop iterating over literal objects, including built-in strings, arrays, array-like objects, so like arguments or node list, typed arrays, map, set, and user-defined literals. It invokes a custom iteration hook with statements to be executed for the value of each distinct property of the object. Okay, so let me give you an example. Let's create a variable. Let fruits. Because we used a lot of cars, now let's use a few fruits. So I'm going to create an array here. And let's say banana, apple, orange, and avocado. Is avocado a fruit? I don't know. Let's just type in avocado. So we got our array. Now let's first of all use a for loop. Just to have an example of this. So if I would want to go over this with a for loop, so let I equal to 0. Now the condition, this should go on as long as I is less than fruits dot length. And it should iterate I plus plus and close up this parenthesis. And now we should console log fruits and the variable I. Okay, so we got a banana, we got an apple, orange, and avocado. Now let's do the same thing using a for of loop. And this will look like this. So for, and now within here, we create a let fruit. So we're going to use the singular again. Or actually, I'm going to use the singular again. You can type in here anything you want. You can type in X or whatever. You just want to use the singular to demonstrate that let fruit of fruits and now let's console log our fruits. So the fruit itself, fruit. And now if I would comment this out, our for loop, you can see we have exactly the same result. Let me hit save, banana, apple, orange, avocado. Actually, let me type in here something else. So for loop, for of. So for of fruit, for of banana, for of apple, for of oranges, and up here we got our regular for loop. Could use here. Copy this in, and let's change this just to 4. Let's hit save, and for banana, for apple, for orange, for avocado, and down here we have our for of loop. And you can clearly see how much cleaner and easier a for of loop is instead of a for loop. Now we could also loop over a string, and this is really interesting. So I'm going to use a long string, and because so let's create English language doesn't have that long words, I'm going to use a German word. So let's say for each character, 4 characters of the string of brace yourself, Gesundheitsministerium. Ministry of Health. Now let's console log our characters, or char, and we get each letter from this string. Okay, so G-E-S-U, blah, 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 down here. And I could also do a uppercase, use the uppercase method to uppercase, and oh, this is a function, so bang, there we go. So it loops through each character and also loops through its uppercase. So G, capital G, E, capital E, and so on, and so on. Okay guys, so that's it for of. See you in the next one. Bye bye.